Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, type yes in the comment section. If you can hear me, type yes in the comment section. Okay. We'll just wait till we have at least 60 to 70 people on the live stream, and then we'll begin. Before that, type down the pairs that you want analysis for. Type down the pairs that you want analysis for while we're waiting for more people to join the live stream, and then we'll be right back to do analysis on these pairs. Hello Traders Kingdom, hello Solomon. Today I'm going to talk mostly on gold, USDJPY, and gold. If you have any other pair you want, add that to the list in the comment section. Hello, TBNR Goham. Traders Kingdom says gold, Euro USD, AUD USD. Alright, so I'm going to add Euro USD and AUD USD to the list. Remember, guys, while we're waiting for more people to join the stream, write down the pairs you want analysis or signals on, and we'll add that to the list. So far on the list, we have USDJPY, Euro USD, AUD USD, and gold. Hello Solomon, you say you've signed up, you're waiting for my 250 to 20k challenge. Well, let's wait till more people. You know what I'm thinking, because I put up a vote for people to join a private Telegram group where I'll be putting signals, and I didn't get up to 300 votes. maybe the only way most people will be able to join that Telegram group is, you know, if at least they have a funded account. At least they should have money in their account if they want to join, you know. So maybe that's what I'll do. I'll add you to the Signal group and we'll figure out how we're going to set up this private Signal group. But with that being said, let's wait till we have at least 70 people on the live stream and then we'll begin with the analysis. If you want analysis, just put down the pair you want analysis on and then we'll add that to the list. With that being said, we'll be right back when we have more people on the stream. Yes, Traders Kingdom said you voted, but we didn't get the amount of votes needed. So I have to figure out another way to, because you have to do something. I'm giving free signals. People have to do something to be able to get the free signals. If you can't even get up to a certain amount of votes, then why should I do it? You know, I don't see the incentive to do it. So something else. Maybe you have to have so that I don't feel like I'm wasting my time, basically. Alright guys, I'm back. I put up a poll, right? What is the best pair to trade? Gold, EURUSD, US30, or pairs like USDJPY and GBPJPY? Vote guys, let me know what you guys think. But with that being said, guys, make sure you like the video, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Hello, the FX Savior. If you have any pairs you want analysis on, put that in the comment section. Make sure all the notification bells are on, guys. Make sure you share, and join the Telegram group, okay? Boom, boom, boom. All right, so what pair should we start with? USDJPY, EURUSD, or AUDUSD? Someone should let me know. What pair should we start with? USDJPY. Okay, someone says GBPJPY, so we'll add GBPJPY to the list. Hello, crypto and FX. Okay, what pair should we start with? USDJPY, GBPJPY, EURUSD, AUDUSD, or gold? We'll start with gold last. We'll do gold last. Okay. So USDJPY, GBPJPY, EURUSD, or AUDUSD. Which one should we go for first? Okay, someone says EURUSD, then USD. No, we'll do gold. We'll do gold last. So I'm just going to go with the first one. Hello, Christopher Clark. Someone says, another person, hello, pros. Someone, it says gold. We're doing gold last. Okay, so I think we should start with USDJPY. Okay, someone says CAD JPY. We'll add CAD JPY to the list. Okay, we will start with USDJPY. USDJPY. Boom, boom, boom. Guys, type USDJPY in the flood the comment section with USDJPY. USDJPY, USDJPY, USDJPY. So you give me energy to do the USDJPY analysis. Flood the comments with USDJPY. All right, I'm seeing USDJPY, USDJPY. All right, pros, we have GBPJPY in the list. Okay, so we'll do GBPJPY. All right, let's go with USDJPY. Now, first things first, we have to remember, okay, this week is, what is this week? Non-farm payrolls week. Okay, so you have to be very careful during this week because the market is designed to manipulate traders this week so that they can go in the direction that they want, right? That means anything can happen. You can never measure it. Okay, that means it can, you see the market is looking like it's going short, right? At any moment, right, when NFP hits, the market can just decide to jump up from here all the way back to here. Okay, and use that as a continuation to continue to go on the long trend, right? Or people that were buying from this period, it could have been hitting their stop losses because they would have been placing their stop losses at the lows, right? It would have been hitting their stop losses. They would have been looking for support somewhere around here. It went all the way up after hitting their stop losses because it hits the low. Obviously, they would have probably wanted to take more buys, you get, and then it hits their stop loss again. They will be looking for, so this is what happens to people who use support and resistance. This is how the market wrecks them. Okay, so anything can happen during NFP, or it might just continue to spike down and continue to hit their stop losses. People who didn't use a stop loss and don't know how to hedge, right, they will be in loss and be hoping that the market is continuing to go up, right? And what happens, it continues to dip and continues to dip, and they continue to pray for it to go up, and then it blows up their account. So NFP uses that opportunity to get the job done very fast, very quick. Okay, any leftovers that still think that they won last month or the month before or the week before, they wipe them all out. Okay, so okay, someone says US 30, please. I don't usually do US 30, but after we're done with everything, if I feel like it, I will do. After I'm done with gold, remind me about US 30, then maybe I'll do it. If you don't remind me, then I'll probably forget. So it's all up to you. At the end of the day, it's still free analysis, free signals. So it depends on you. Are you going to take advantage of it, or are you going to forget? Remember, okay, Christopher Clark. Yeah, so now let me just place the pair on my software so I can get a quick analysis from that. Obviously, our bias is that the market is going down. Okay, it can from today it can continue to go down all the way to 130. Okay. 130. Okay. If it continues on that downtrend. However, the place we should be conscious of is around 131 point. Let's see, 131. Yeah. The high of the previous day. Okay. So this is what we should be very cautious of, because if it breaks the high of the previous day, we can expect it to continue to go long. And if that happens today, it can even go all the way to 132.25, around here. Okay. Well, this is the point, right? If it doesn't break this point, if it's still possible to even take a sell. Right. Let's see. Even from here. Set here, set down here, you have a ratio of almost 3 pips. 3-to-1 ratio. If you are taking yourself from around 131.5, you have a risk to reward ratio of about 4.25 to 1. Okay, and you're risking about 35 for 150. So even if you get 50 pips, right, hits here, drops all the way down here, that's still more than the stop. Some people would still not take profits. Once I hit like 50 pips, I take some profits, even if it's 20% of the profit, 30%, because, right, if it pushes back, you want to know that you still gain something from the market. This is how you compound your accounts. Most people can't teach you how to compound accounts because they only know how to talk about it. They've never really done it. These are just examples of how I compound my accounts. Right? So I hedge, actually. So if anything bad goes in the market, I just hedge out to lose only maybe like a commission, you know, basically, or little spreads. Okay, sometimes I make profits while I hedge. I've shown you live examples, and you can check my channel. Even in some of my swing trades, I've done some hedges there, and I've shown you on the live stream hedging. So I just go back and watch those. I can't remember what day it was, but yeah, check the hedging playlist. You should see the most recent video, then go back and check that day in my live stream, and you see where I was hedging. But yeah, where were we? So even if I'm hedging, I still want to take some profits, right? 10%, 20%, because my main goal is compounding that account. The more I compound it, the stronger my account gets. If it's an extra $5, $10, $20, it's still something extra, right? You could risk it on another trade, right? So that's how you compound your trades. Yeah, I take partials. It's just common. See, the way I trade, I just use common sense. I don't try to put some moving average and use some imaginary rainbow lines to tell me what is going to happen in the market. I look at it based on a common sense view. That's why I don't use any of those indicators. I scalp 5 minutes. I scalp 5 minutes live with my students. You can go check our what do you call it? There's a playlist called with students, like live trading with students. So I meet my students in person, we do live scalping, we do live swing trades, or sometimes we meet online. You can go watch videos of that on my main channel. There's a playlist for that. I think the 3rd or 4th playlist on the page. So yeah, you can see me doing it live with my students. You said tomorrow is a bank holiday. Yeah, but traders, so bank holiday in what country? If you can tell me the country that has the countries that have, because sometimes it may be only in the UK. That doesn't mean USDJPY is going to stop moving. Okay, so can you let me know what days the bank holidays are? Can you type it in the comment section? Okay, so yeah, let's go back to the charts. So this is a good opportunity for USDJPY here. Technically speaking, I'm positive on it. Yeah. Fundamentally speaking, I'm also positive on it because I'm looking at what is going on with these breaks. I'm looking at the inflation, you know, things like that. So yeah, low risk trade, confidence level I would say is around 90 to 99%. Okay. So what is next on the list? What is next on the list? GBPJPY. Yes, guys, type. Okay, so it's a UK bank holiday, so you know, UK bank holiday on Friday. It's now I know why they shifted it 1 week extra. They are really going to mess up a lot of people's accounts, because they will be using that 2 weeks to accumulate where most traders are going, and where they will go to is where they'll go to is the opposite of where most traders are going. Probably too many people were making profits in the market, okay, and they have to do something. So that means GBP pairs are going to be probably consolidating throughout the whole Friday till NFP comes, right? So if you were in a trade, you can't escape that trade. You are stuck in it. Very smart of them. That means a lot of people must have been trading GBP, okay, because it's very, very well planned. The market is not just random. Anyway, if you're a student, you understand what I mean by that. Yeah, so guys, type GBPJPY. Give me some energy to do GBPJPY analysis. Give me the energy. Type GBPJPY. Type it as many times as possible in the comment section. Let me see as many GBPJPY as possible in the comment section. Then I'll begin GBPJPY. Someone says GBP, USD, CAD, CHF. So they are all on bank holidays and is NFP. So that means if you're in a trade, you either have to close that trade by NFP, especially if you're in a loss, because they are not going to give you any chance to be out of the trade. So it's a setup. It's a setup. You see what I mean? The market is not just random. They do the same thing over and over and over and over again most of the time. All right, I'm seeing some GBPJPY in the comment section. All right, let's go. In my previous analysis on GBPJPY, I remember, guys, I told you that it has to break the high of the day. If it breaks the high of the day, what you're going to do is you're going to buy. However, the trade was not triggered. Okay, the trade was not triggered. And what did I say will happen if the trade doesn't get triggered? It will drop all the way down to 162.75. And what did he do? He dropped all the way down to 162.75. Someone says thoughts on EURUSD. I mean long. Don't worry, we'll get to EURUSD soon. We have to do GBPJPY, then CAD JPY, then EURUSD. So you just have to wait. Once we're done with GBPJPY, CAD JPY, Euro, and then we'll get to EURUSD. All right. So just wait. All right. So we're in GBPJPY now. If you want to learn something from that, that's up to you. So this trade obviously didn't get triggered, and it went directly to where we're saying we was going to go to. And yeah, where are we? Yeah. You said, what is the difference between black line and yellow line? The black lines, I just put them randomly. And when I was using the charts that time, I used yellow lines. And as you can see, sometimes I use blue lines. It's just what will the line show me at that moment? It shows me black. Anyway, so where are we on GBPJPY? Yeah, let me just put it on my software so I can get quick analysis. GBPJPY bearish. Okay, we're looking at it as bearish, which is kind of obvious. But where are the areas or zones that we should be worried about? It should be around the 164.75. Yeah, 164.75. Where is that? Yeah, still this zone, right? Still quite dangerous zone. But we can expect GBPJPY, if it continues on this bearish movement, to drop all the way down to 162. Okay. If it continues to go all the way down. Now, somewhere around 164 would have been a perfect place to sell, right? but that's been hit already. If I was going to sell, I would sell from here all the way down to here. Okay, so you're risking about 80 pips to gain about 190 pips. Okay, but if you want to enter from now, it's going to be like this, right? Which is you are risking 100 to make 166. The risk to reward ratio is 1.6. You know, even if the risk to reward ratio was still around 2 point something, someone like me, I probably wouldn't take it because of how much you're risking, about 80 pips. You know, I always get, I have my software with me. I can just put another pair and get a better trade. You know, but this is what you guys asked for, and we'll do the analysis on that. I like taking trades that are like 3 to 1, 4 to 1, low risk, probably risking around, you know, something very low. This is what happens when you understand the market. You know, I don't just have a high winning ratio. I have good. I put myself in the best position possible in the market when I take my trades, because I'm not trying to desperately, you know, take a trade that will, because if something goes bad, I just hedge. You know, it gives me that psychological security. So I'm not really worried about the outcome that much, but I still put myself in a very high risk to reward ratio, and I risk very little. This is the kind of experience you get when you know, things always work out. It gives you confidence and assurance. So you start thinking logically with your trade, because you are not thinking with your emotion. And thinking with your emotion is when you've lost so many trades, you're just trying to take any trade to make profit. So you're not really analyzing it properly, you're not really looking at it properly until after you've taken the trade. That's what happens when you're using a bad system. Yeah, so confidence level on this trade, I would say I have high confidence, over 90%, 90 to 95% confidence level on this trade playing out, but it's not for me. So what's next on our list? CAD JPY. Oh, wait. Where is USDJPY? We did an analysis on USDJPY. Yeah, where's USDJPY? I remember what was my confidence level on this? Yeah. Now, looking at USDJPY, I don't know. Technically speaking, we have a very good trade. Okay. Just 1 minute. Yeah, technically speaking, we have a very good trade, but there's still a possibility that it might break this high. You know, looking at it, it's a very good high risk to reward trade, but there is some danger. Okay, so if you're going to take this trade, you should probably take it with a smaller lot size. Same thing with GBPJPY. I just saw something on my software that I didn't pay attention to before. Where is it? Okay, so a trade like this, you can take it, but use a lower lot size. Don't use the normal lot size that you use, because of the way the market is moving so far. It has gone short for too long, right? It will probably want to confuse traders. Okay, so, and the way it has been moving, if it wanted to go down, it would have started going down already. You know, we're already entering into New York session, but let's see how New York session plays out. If it doesn't continue to go down during New York session, then you know that most probably is going to go long, at least for today. Because remember, they always have to set people up. They can't just let you keep on selling. You look, if you've been selling from here, you've been making profits, right? So if by New York session, okay, 6 hours, 5 hours into New York session, it hasn't started dropping, most probably is going to go long. Okay, so these are some early signs. So let's focus on CAD JPY. All right, guys, type EURUSD is after CAD JPY. Okay, EURUSD is after. I said this already. EURUSD is after CAD JPY. Guys, type CAD JPY in the comment section so you give me energy to do the analysis. Smash the comment section with CAD JPY, CAD JPY, CAD JPY. Come on, guys, let's go. Smash the comments with CAD JPY. Some people are putting other pairs. Smash the comments with CAD JPY so that we can get CAD JPY analysis done, guys. Alright, let's begin with CAD JPY. You say, how do you identify support and resistance? I don't use that rubbish. Do you think I would be successful as a trader if I was using support and resistance? I don't use that rubbish. It's guessing. Let me ask you a question. The market is based on accuracy, right? If you and a friend both learned support and resistance from the same person, do you think you and your friend will always draw support and resistance in the same place? The answer is no. You are all just guessing. If it feels like guessing, then I don't participate. That's why I don't use indicators. That's why I don't use trend lines. That's why I don't use support and resistance. You are trading the currency of a country. You are trading the currency of probably England and Europe, or probably England and the United States. Do you think the country knows where your own support and resistance is? So you are just in your own imaginary world if you are using support and resistance, basically, you know. So yeah, let's get back to some real life stuff, please. Yeah, so CAD JPY. Yeah, CAD, enough of that imaginary world. Yeah. Let me add something. Let me see if I can use it during the stream. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. I want to add something to the stream. I think it might make it more fun. It would have been very appropriate in that moment for that question. A very funny question. Have you ever heard of a hedge fund using support and resistance? I'm just curious. Or, or a bank. Have you ever heard of such in your life? Okay, it's not working. We will use that. You'll use that in we'll use that in the next live stream. It will be more fun and more funny and more interesting. You can ask this kind of funny questions in the next live stream again. Yeah, so let's get back to it. USDJPY. USDJPY is the same situation that we're seeing. Sorry, not USDJPY. CAD JPY is in the same situation that we're seeing GBPJPY and USDJPY. Same kind of situation. However, I don't think it's going to give us a good risk reward ratio also. Maybe it's going to be 2-to-1. Yeah, see, just like I predicted. We still have this high. Like I said, if it breaks this high, then we should expect the market to continue to go long, right? So you see, 2-to-1 ratio. I expect it to be bearish. Am I going to join this trade? Even if I was fully positive it was going down like 100%, 150%, the risk to reward ratio is not for me. So you are risking about 50 pips to make 100. 2-to-1. Okay, I would lower my lot size, my exposure. My confidence level on this, technically speaking, is 90 to 95%. But based on the fact that this is NFP week, okay, tomorrow is NFP, anything can happen. Okay, the market may decide to start going long. Now, what you should notice is during New York session, 5 hours, 6 hours into New York session, if the market has not already started dropping, then most probably it's going to continue to go long. All right. Now, let's move on to EURUSD that everyone has been typing in the comment section. After EURUSD, we'll go into AUD/USD, then gold, then that will be the end of the stream. We'll just see how gold is playing out a few minutes after the end of the analysis. I'll answer some questions about trading, and then let's see. Yeah, let's focus on EURUSD. So like I was saying, EURUSD didn't even get triggered also, just like with was it GBPUSD or GBPJPY? Trade didn't get triggered. I was giving an example in my live stream yesterday. I was talking about the trade not getting triggered. Oh yeah, it was GBPJPY. Yeah, I remember I told you guys if the trade doesn't get triggered, it's going to drop, just like what happened in. Oh no, this is EURUSD. I can't remember, but I gave this example yesterday. I gave an example because it happened in GBPJPY. This same situation. Was it GBPJPY or GBPUSD? There was a pair. Who remembers? It happened somewhere. There was a pair that we were looking at. Guys, can you remember? That didn't get triggered. And it dropped. I can't remember, guys. Anyway, let's go back to EURUSD. Like I said, yeah, so guys, type EURUSD, EURUSD, EURUSD in the comment section so we can begin with EURUSD. Smash the comment section with EURUSD. Give me the energy to do the analysis on EURUSD. right, guys, let's work on Euro USD. So yeah, I was talking about the Telegram group. Let's see how many people have voted today. Well, I was looking for 300 people in the to vote. We only got 265. All I asked was for a free vote, and more people than that saw the post. Okay, so what I'm probably going to do is, because I want to do a $250 to 20,000 challenge, okay, scalping, and I don't want to feel like I'm wasting my time. So you guys have to show me. I'm going to create a group. You have to show me that you have money in your account. You have to show me that you're ready to trade with me, so I don't feel like I'm wasting my time. I don't want any time wasters in my group. Okay, yeah, as you've probably seen, I made some withdrawals. Yeah, I see you voted. I made some withdrawals. I'm gonna start with my swing trade with 35,000 and scalping with $250. Okay, but I'm changing my broker. I already changed my broker already. I already made the deposit because I need tighter spreads. As I'm sure in my last video, there was the video I was making of a testimonial with a student where we're scalping live, and my take profit was hit like 2 times, but because of spread, it didn't hit take profit. I had to manually close that. Okay, I had to manually close my trade, so I didn't like it. I don't like scalping when I have spread issue. So I'm using Mulligan Markets. You can also use Mulligan Markets and sign up. I put that in the link in the description below. Fund your account, take a picture and send it to me. So once I start giving the free live trades for scalping in the private Telegram group, I'm probably going to put some swing trades also. Yeah, that can be just what you used to join in. I don't want any time wasters there. All right, so I'm gonna put that in the Telegram group, how to join the private group. I'm still gonna do the free signals, but you guys didn't vote up to 300 votes, and that's all I asked for, 300 simple votes, and I'll do free signals. You guys didn't do that. So if you want to join the group, fund your account and then come. At least can you do that? So let's get into Euro USD. Euro USD, let me put that on my software so I can get some quick analysis very quickly. Euro USD is looking, it's consolidating. That's the issue. Around here, this is an area that likes consolidating. So what I need is, I need it to break from this consolidation zone. If it can break from this consolidation zone, I think it can go all the way up to 1.09 or 1. Let me see. It can go all the way to 1.1 at least. Now, is there a trade opportunity on this? Quite possible. Quite possible. But let's see. Will it be a good risk to reward ratio? Because what I'm looking at is the low of today. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Enter from here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. So what's our risk to reward ratio? Yeah, good. About 4-to-1 ratio. 4-to-1 ratio. Okay, someone said, what about fusion markets? Was that good? I've never used fusion markets. I tested different brokers before I settled on Mulligan, because what I was looking for particularly was spreads. Okay, I don't want to be hitting take profits while I'm scalping, and then I don't want to reach take profit point while I'm scalping, then it won't take profits because of spreads. Okay, so specifically for scalping, that's why I chose Mulligan. I tested it and I just agreed there. I made some deposits, I took some withdrawals, and it worked well. So I deposited, or me and my team, because I usually trade group accounts. Okay, me and my team, we contributed. We have two 35K accounts and Me, for my personal scalping, I have a $250 account that I'll be using to scalp. I think I'll start doing that tomorrow or on Monday. Someone says, do you scalp? Bro, 70%, or I would say 80% of the videos on this channel are scalping videos. I don't know, probably you're new to this channel. I used to upload more scalping videos than swing trade videos before. If you check most of my old videos, they are mostly scalping videos. How do you think I got my account up to this? I started scalping with a small amount. I was doing a lot of scalping on this channel for years, for like 1 to 2 years. So yeah, if you start watching from my very old videos, I wasn't always trading large accounts like this. I had a student who was trading about $1 million, you know, but I usually used to trade 5K, 3K, 1K. That was the usual amount I used to trade when I started this channel. He said, how do I scalp? Oh, how do I scalp, or not do you scalp? Okay, yeah, guys, let's go back to EURUSD. Yeah. So EURUSD, yes, like I said, very good 4-to-1 ratio trade. You can enter now, target 1.1 for about 90 something pips. You are risking just about maybe 21, 22 pips. Very good risk to reward ratio. You can use a good lot size on this also. Yeah, but I'll be more confident on this trade when it breaks, you know, this consolidation zone. Yeah, if it breaks this consolidation zone, I'll be more confident on it. I would say my confidence level on this trade is around 90 to 95%. So what I would want to also look at is during New York session, 5 hours, 6 hours into New York session, has it broken this point, right? If it hasn't broken this point, then that would be very worrying for me, because if it hasn't broken this point, then it can probably crash. Okay, so you have to watch that during New York session. Okay, be very cautious and watch for the break of this high. Break of this high increases your confidence level, we can say, to 95 to 95 to 99% confidence on this trade. So what is next on our list is AUD USD. Where is AUD USD? AUD USD. Because remember, guys, I said this at the beginning of the stream, NFP is tomorrow. Guys, remember what I said on AUD USD yesterday? I told you guys I had no what do you call it? I had no trades on AUD USD, but if you wanted to gamble, remember what I said, guys, if you wanted to gamble, you could take this trade. So if you had listened to my advice yesterday, how much were we risking? On this trade, you would have risked less than 9 pips, and you would have probably made about 40 something pips if you just gambled on that trade. It was just a gamble. It was just a gamble, and it made profit. So yeah. Now let's get back to being serious. Don't take this trade again. It's gone. Okay, it's gone. It's gone. Yeah. So yeah. Let's focus now. AUD USD. AUD USD. Where are we on AUD USD? Let me just put that on my PC. And guys, if you wanna see what I'm talking about when I'm saying I'm putting my software on my PC to get my analysis, I'm talking about, just 1 minute. Yeah, I'm talking about my software here. So anytime I want to give you guys analysis, I just come here, I put my software, it does the analysis for me, and then I give you the analysis. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about, because someone just messaged me, what am I talking about software? Yeah, it's my software. It comes with the course. So boom, got in my analysis, getting back to the charts. Obviously, if you looked at my software very well, we're looking at the market as bearish. Was there an opportunity to take a sell? Not really. Not really. Is there a buy opportunity? Not really. The market, however, is bearish. I expect it to go all the way down to 0.66. Let's see, 0.66. Yeah, somewhere around here. Oh no, not there. Here. 6625. Yeah. I expect it to go all the way down here. Alright. There are no trades on AUD/USD so far. Okay. So even with the software, I can avoid being in trades that there's not really going to be any trade on, right? Because some people would have gotten into that pair and started taking trades that probably won't play out, right? And they would lose, because if the market goes up, the market goes down, it doesn't matter. It can behave anyhow. So you are able to easily avoid pairs that you should not be trading in 1 second of analysis. Now let's move on to last but not least, gold. All right, you guys have been waiting for gold since. Type gold in the chat. Type as many gold in the chat as you can type. Flood the comment section with gold comments so that you can give me energy to do the analysis. More gold comments, more gold comments, more gold comments, because you guys have been asking for gold since this is finally it. Hello, Ahmad Sadiq Azami. Hello, Broskina Leo. Alright, let's get started on gold. Okay. Gold, long term, I'm always bullish on gold, right? But right now, it showed some bearish movement, right? And this may just be a setup for gold to go short, right? And then when NFP comes, it spikes all the way long. I was targeting 2055 previously, yesterday, for a continuous buy in gold. But remember what I said, guys. A lot of people would have bought gold from here. A lot of people would have bought gold from here. I was not fully confident that gold will allow you, especially the market, will allow you to continue to make profit. I kept on saying And this is why I was so close here. I kept on saying it may spike all the way down, and if it does spike, I expect it to continue to go down. I wrote it break below 2020 means bearish push. Okay, so the market is pushing bearish. Okay, and there's a reason why they were able to do it this short yesterday, and even if they want to do it again, still this short today. Okay, I still expect a bearish push down again. Okay, but during NFP, I suspect it's going to go long. I have no long bias for, or no long, I don't see any long opportunity for gold as of now. Even if I want to see a target, it will probably come down all the way to 2045. Okay, so taking a buy right now, very high risk, very high risk. Okay, especially because NFP is tomorrow. If you wanted to take a buy, let's look at our targets. We'll be looking at here. So you see, look at the risk to reward ratio, 2.3. So in my opinion, taking a buy is very risky. You're risking 100 to make 260. Okay, very high risk, and the confidence level on going long right now, as of now, is very low. I would give it around 40 to 50% to go long, the confidence level. If you're already in a long trade, like I am, I can hold the trade, right? Well, if you want to enter a brand new long trade, I don't see the opportunity there. I really don't see the opportunity there. Even if you want to go short, let's see, you can go all the way down to 19. Let's see. $19.85. Yeah, it's already even marked there. 1985. Let's look at selling. Would it be good would we get a good opportunity for a sell? Let's see. Put it at 2,300, 2,033. You're targeting down here. You see, even the other way around, still 2.46 to 1 ratio. So guys, they've marked down gold for you. If you were not in it previously, then you're most probably going to get screwed by the market, because what they are doing is they are accumulating trades, right? It's still in one zone. They are accumulating trades in this zone. If you took a buy, you're stuck. If you took a sell, you're stuck, right? And they may stay in this middle zone here till NFP comes. So what they are going to do is they are going to look at it like, okay, during this period, right, are there more buyers than sellers, right? If there are more buyers than sellers, then they will go down again. They will look at this. Are there more sellers than buyers? If there are more sellers than buyers, then expect NFT to spike long. Anybody that got into a trade during this period is screwed for NFP. Plain and simple. So that's it, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you have all the notification bells on. If you have any final questions about scalping, hedging, swing trading, put that in the comment section. Make sure to join the Telegram group. Make sure to join the broker. Make sure to, if you want to buy the course, you can also go to nfxandcrypto.com, okay, and get the software to it. The software comes with the course for free. You get to learn how to do all this live scalp trades, live swing trades, live hedging with, like, my funds will be taking live trades as I'm explaining to you and teaching you. We'll be taking live trades also with, and so someone says, so you're advising me to open a sell. Even I didn't advise you to open a sell. I said both taking a buy and a sell is high risk, okay, especially because NFP is tomorrow. I have said anybody who is taking or has taken a trade in this period is screwed, because the market is setting you up. It is accumulating buyers and sellers so that it can go in the opposite direction. If there are too many buyers, NFP is going to spike down. If there are too many sellers, NFP is going to spike up. They're accumulating your trades. I didn't say you should take a trade. Someone says, will you teach someone that has zero experience? Yes. It's even better you have zero experience, because that means you haven't learned all those crap and bullshit support and resistance rubbish. Okay, so you are coming with a fresh mind, and you also get the software. The software does the analysis, okay, in 1 second. Let me just show you an example of the software doing analysis. For example, look at this, right? So you have the software. If you're a student, you understand what most of these things mean, okay? But you have the software. I take another pair, EURUSD, I put, it's done the analysis. I take another pair, maybe USDJPY, boom, it's done the analysis. Even if I go to a lower time frame, boom, it's done the analysis. It tells me what I need to know here. If I go to the 5 minutes time frame, it tells me about scalping, swing trade, you know, everything done, even where to exit, where to hedge. So that's what basically I'm talking about. You say, if I want to open I'm telling you, if you're opening a trade, even if you're buying or selling, it's the same risk to reward ratio. So what's the point? You know, all that, and they are not doing it to give you an opportunity to make money. They are doing it to give you to trap you so that you lose. Why are you still trying to jump into it? Anyway, it's not my problem. You're not my student. You can do whatever you want. Say, can I join into that scalping group? Yeah, I'll announce the conditions. Okay, you most likely have to join. Milligan Markets, or join a broker, fund your account, and show me that you have a funded account. I want only serious people in my trading group. I don't want people that are time wasters, because I told people to vote just to join, and they didn't even vote. Okay, and those people who didn't vote, I don't want to give them an opportunity to join the trading group, because I'm sure if I put the link there for everyone to join for free, you'll see they will join. It will be more people joining than the people that voted. So let them do something. Okay, so I don't feel like I'm wasting my time. Okay, so yeah, any last minute questions? I'm gonna end this stream in 2 minutes. Let me see if there are any questions I missed. Boom, boom, boom. US 30. Oh yeah, I promised you US 30. Yeah, I promised you US 30. All right, let's look at US 30. Just because I promised. If you are still there, let me know. Are you still there? Type US 30. If you want me to do the US 30, I can just end the stream. Okay, you're still here. All right, let me just do the US 30. Boom, boom. Let me put it on my software. I have to look for it because I don't usually trade US 30. US 30, I'm expecting bearish. Let me just look for the pair on my US 30. Alright, US 30 is kind of bearish. It's possible to take a sell on US 30. You can target all the way down to 33,200 or 33,100. 33,100. I expect it to drop all the way down to. And remember, I don't really trade US 30 that much. Does NFP affect it? If it does affect it, this market should be dropping, like I said, 5 to 6 hours into US 30 should be dropping 5 to 6 hours into the New York session. If it hasn't dropped, then most likely it will go long. All right, so that's what you want to watch for. If it goes long, it's definitely going to break this high. Okay, it's going to go all the way to 33,800. Okay, so what you want to watch for right now is what is going to happen during this New York session. All right, guys. Yeah, I put a poll. I said, what is the best pair to trade? Most people said gold. 72% said gold. 11% said Euro USD. 6% said US30. 11% said USDJPY / GBPJPY. I don't know why the people who voted for US30 said US30 is the best, but you know, I don't think it's the best. But that's your opinion. I don't think you can consistently grow an account long term doing US30. Maybe doing some quick scalps, but compounding, yeah. All right, guys. Hope you have a nice week ahead. We will meet tomorrow. Someone said GBPJPY. Ask for that in the next live stream. All right. We will meet tomorrow, and then you can request your peers. We will meet before NFP. We'll see what happened overnight, and yeah, hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead. Click the links, join the Telegram group, switch on all the notification bell, join the broker, fund your account, message for free signals. If you want to buy the course, go to nlfxandcrypto.com. If you want to get only the software, just message me, and yeah, bye. Guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in the description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto.